Be the fire, fire when you fly. You go higher, higher in the sky.
हम लोगों को शूटिंग हम लोगों ने कुछ 8 बजे स्टार्ट की. स्टार्टेड विद द कार.
आंधी की तरह आगे है, हम सबको है पता, अपना हौसला रह के हर दफा आगे है. मंजिलों का जुनून है सर में.
Started with the car, Maruti Suzuki, because I wanted to take Maruti shots, like a magic shots, like this styling shot of Maruti. I wanted to present Maruti very well because these are main client. As a director, I had a vision that I had to shoot the car because the car is a red thing. So we needed a white background of the car. So red and white is a very good combo. We have created 3 sets, and we have to complete in one day with 6 artists, 2 winners, 8 and Maruti. So it was a very big challenge. First time with directing it, I was very confident because I have designed and my vision was very clear. Then we introduced all the characters with the cars. Then we have done that setup. Then we have done a morphing thing and all. And after that we started the tube section.
जब कभी गिरे फिर खड़े हुए, आंधी की तरह आगे है, हम सबको है पता, अपना हौसला रह के हर दफा आगे है. मंजिल
And it's a very difficult thing to do in 12 hours. I don't think so it was very possible if we would have not done the homework. Actually, we were very prepared actually how to shoot about that.
राज सर हमारे डायरेक्टर हैं, उन्होंने कितना अच्छा हमें बताया, हमें काम कर रहे हैं हम लोग. दीक्षांत सर का गाना है, तो कमाल का गाना बन रहा है, कमाल का शूट हो रहा है, बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है.
Special thanks to Kiko, the DOP of the song. She's a very good friend of mine.
गाना माइंड ब्लोइंग आ गया, बहुत अच्छा शूट हुआ है. और हम लोग के जो डायरेक्टर है राज सुरानी साहब, जब हम लोग को ये गाना उन्होंने सुना है, स्पेशल थैंक्स टू. और हम लोग जब गाना सुने तो वी वर वेरी हैप्पी टू बी द पार्ट ऑफ द सॉन्ग.
I want to thank the whole team of Sony and Maruti as well as Akash. They have trusted us. I think first time directing it, I want to thank Pawan, Bob, I think the whole team, Kajal, Ali, Shazia, Nilesh, James. I want to thank Sony, and I'm very grateful to Sony that they have given the opportunity to me for this, and I think so in future we are looking forward to do many more videos like this, and I think we can create a magic together as a team and all.
higher in the sky.
Super! Hey, thank you very much, everyone.